Hello, these are the latest affiliate marketing headlines for the 25th of September. In affiliate, main headlines are Awin complete the full acquisition of Commission Factory and WebGains launch the Transform event. The Awin move is to help bolster their AirPack offering. They initially had a stake in Commission Factory for some time, and they've now moved to complete that purchase, allowing them to better support clients in the APAC region and also to begin to improve their sales and acquisition of new clients across the region as well. The WebGains Transform event brought together some of the top minds in the affiliate space, the retail space, and other sectors. And there were also really interesting talks from celebrities such as former England goalkeeper Joe Hart. On affiliate headlines, we have the launch of the Draper's Trend Report, which has just come out. So definitely check that out if you're in the influencer marketing space. It was in partnership with Tribe Dynamics, who have produced some excellent reports in the past. And something interesting is that the US Navy are now utilizing influencers to help drive recruitment and showcase their diverse job range. In e-commerce news, if you need help with landing pages, Performance In have a great article with a few examples which can help with click-through and conversion optimization. And the IAB UK has launched the Gold Standard 2.0, which has new requirements on transparency and consent. Subscribe on YouTube for more content, and thanks for watching.